Yeah. So I welcome you all to my full screen. Yeah. So I don't normally do this. I don't normally show you my withdrawal proof and stuff. Yeah. But they're saying that as a good mentor, you have to set example for your followers to also follow. That's why I always say that doing crypto arbitrage is not easy. So don't underestimate it that it's easy. It's not easy. You searching for coins and stuff is not easy. So when someone is guiding you, don't expect the person to do everything for you. You have to learn something because at the end it's your own source of income, your own way to make money. So you have to put everything in it to learn it well. Yeah. So if you watch the title of this video is that I made 20,000 Ghana cedis every day, every month. I made 20,000 Ghana cedis every month. That is equivalent to 1,600 or something like that. Yeah, and I'm here to prove it. You see, the reason why I always open my Bybit and Binance is that if you are on mentorship, you know that after doing your arbitrage and you're in Africa, you send your profit to Bybit or Binance and sell it on P2P to get additional profits on your profits that you've already made from the arbitrage. And that is why I always open my Bybit and Binance for you to say it. And if I come to my Bybit or Bybit, you see that I don't. Let me go to my. You see that I don't. Oh, profile. Yeah. You see that I don't what? I don't buy. I always sell. Yeah, and you can see that my 30 days trading volume right now is 888 USDT. So if I come to my calculator to check the 888 times 16, that's 14,208 on only this. And let me remind you that I don't use only Bybit. I also use Binance. It depends on how I'm doing the arbitrage. You see that thing? Yeah. So I always sell my profits on Bybit or Binance. Yeah. So if I come to my P2P trading, you can see that my order, today I've made 828 Ghana cedis. Yesterday was 6. I made 801. You see, I've made 1,668. I've made it money. You see that thing, and it follows every day. You can check the date every day. You see that thing, yeah. And I'm doing this video to motivate my students and motivate people that just follow the right source. Arbitrage, if you know how to do it well, you make money. Unless you are lazy. You see, I have some students, I have good students and I have lazy students. The lazy students are the people who want you to do everything for them, and that's not how we do arbitrage. After all, I've give you the courses, I guide you everything, so now you know where to find your coins, how to search it. Don't expect your mentor to do everything for you. I guide you throughout everything. After training you, my guidance is you doing something and you find it difficult, you call me, you chat me, I'll guide you. Oh, do it like this, do like this, do like that. Don't tell me that after showing you everything, you want me to be with you only. No, bro. I have a lot of students, and that's why we have good students and we have lazy students. And I hate lazy students because arbitrage is not easy like that. Because if you are lazy, if you don't want to stress yourself, you can't do arbitrage. Yeah. So I'm doing this to motivate you that if you put in the match work, you make money. So let me also open my Binance for you to see. So if I go to my Binance as well, let me go to my P2P order. fulfilled. You can see that I also sell my coins over here as well. You see that thing? Yeah. So that's why I'm saying that it's not only one place that I sell my coins. So on the arbitrage, on only the arbitrage, a month I made more than $2,000 on only arbitrage. At times I can make thousand something. It varies. So that then depends on how the market is what's behaving. You see, and there's money inside. I will not be here and lying to you. That's why I'm showing you my withdrawal proof and everything to show you that there is money inside. There is money inside. You see that thing? Yeah, there is money inside. There is money. We can go and go and go and go. You see that thing? Yeah. So if you're learning it, just learn it well and put in the much work, and you will succeed. That's how it is. Yeah. So I think right now I will not be doing any video to prove myself that I'm profitable and I'm making money every day through arbitrage. Yeah, like I feel like I want to do. People think that I just do content. I don't trade. I don't do it. That's why I'm here to prove myself to you that I also trade. Like I can't create content without having any knowledge and stuff. Nah, so that's why I wanted to do this to prove to you that there's money inside. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and I'm Crypto Lord, and keep following me, and let's cash out together. And if you want to be an mentorship too, yeah, you can chat me. We talk. No, it's not free. And let me tell you one thing. My daily monthly class is different from the course and the mentorship. That one is a 1 day class, so you have to take note. Yeah. Thank you for watching me.